to showcase our own children's performance. It's such a wonderful experience. I really take pleasure in on behalf of all the parents present here. Yes, yes parents?
Let's hear some noise from the parents.
Yes?
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
It's splendid. I should thank the teachers here to manage just 2 kids. Sometimes one kid is a big headache for us. Don't you all agree?
Hashtag true story.
Next month, December is going to be a holiday. Every parent is thinking, oh my God, holiday. Just imagine, they just showcase wonderfully all our children's performance, making them to dance. This is a very rare opportunity we all get. Don't you agree? The very minimal school does this. Very, very minimal school does this, giving opportunity to each and every child studying in the class.
Clap, clap.
Every student has participated. Right from now, they are grooming the personality, not just academics. And as a psychologist, I can say your kids are really in a safe hands. Nobody is shown a stage fear. Every child performed wonderfully. Every dance right from the beginning until now. Still we are going to see some more. Beautifully given. Give a big hand to all our kids.
They deserve it.
They definitely deserve us. And one person who is, her size is so different from mine. You all agree, the principal, Miss Sadhana. Ma'am, please, can I call you on the stage?
Ma'am, please. Woo! Everybody, big round of applause for our principal, our beloved principal. She's the backbone of Vikas International School. She's the face of our school.
Yes.
Please give her a big round of applause.
Thank you so much. Like I said, the size doesn't matter. Seriously, the size doesn't matter for any leader. She's such a close, nice personality. I've seen handling different stress, but still keep the face smiling, handling teachers, handling students, handling the parents there. You'd all have seen her always, even one day before her delivery. Such a nice person. Really great, ma'am. Your thanks for all these things. And also I should thank her on behalf of the last 10th standard batch. My daughter also was in last 10th standard batch. And she could really do with all the teachers' help. And still, she's still a part of Vikas. She's studying in Vikas Tiruchengodu and really enjoying the time there. She is still having a very positive environment out there. And my second daughter also. So, parents, I repeat, this is a very, I'm not just saying these words. I am heartfelt because I've seen, I've worked in educational institutions where I see people pick up favorite students and just let them perform. Here does not happen. Yeah, so here they make everybody perform. Sports, yes. Dance, cultural activities, yes. Academic, yes. So a very, very big yes to Vikas, and I would like to ask Ms. Anna to say a few words.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for praising me. Getting old, huh? Thank you so much. It's all because of my beloved parents, and my management gives me a lot of support for each and everything. The chairman who gives like with a full of smile, okay, can proceed. Never said no for me. That's my main strength. And my wonderful team, beautiful ladies, that I should say, 30 wonderful ladies that I have. It's not an easy job to handle 30 ladies together. But even though I'm so happy, such a beautiful and sweet ladies, and it's a power of a team like all women, what we can do. It's a power of women that we all need today. Thank you so much for your cooperation support. Thanks, Priya.
Thank you, ma'am. And I want to welcome all the teachers. Every parent wants to see all the teachers on the dais. Please, all teachers. Please come, teachers. Hey, your students all are coming, La. See, I picked up La from here, from Malaysia. I'm becoming very close to Malaysia. No? Please, teachers. I still don't see all the teachers there. Please. There. You should know there's so many, you children are looking so gorgeous today. They had so much of accessories on them, twinkle like stars. I think that handcrafts all goes to our favorite Winnie Miss. Where is Winnie Miss? She's on the way. Hey please. On the way Winnie Miss. Ah there Winnie Miss. I found her out. Such a favorite, soft lady. And most of the things are scripted. Now the script is coming out. A script will be coming out, which is done by our English teacher, Srijak, and Ishija. Can you step out? See, our teachers are so, yeah. And we have Roshini, Anjali, everybody playing such a strong role. Can you all give them a big hand? They are making our children's life brighter. We have entrusted our children into your hands. Okay, Guru Devo, Guru, everything. Okay, Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo, Maheshwara. Everything is Guru. Thank you all the Gurus for everything. Thank you. Thank you, class teacher. So I think I've spoken so much. Okay, sorry, it's a very, very impromptu kind of act. Thank you. And the food also was good. We know the time is running out, but still, don't count time during this particular day. This day is fully for our kids and their performance. So enjoy to the fullest, and we can see our kids running around everywhere. Just enjoy the movement. Thank you.